Hello, everybody. Scott Blackman here. Um, uh, I know a lot of others of you out there use Kaltura to make online videos for our courses. And Kaltura has a couple benefits. Number one, it's supported by our TEC folks. Number two, there's no time limit. I know a lot of you guys prefer Screencast-O-Matic, but it's limited to 15 minutes if you have the free version. And to me, Kaltura is a little bit more user friendly. But for the last couple of weeks, there have been some issues uploading videos that you make in Kaltura. So, and as you guys know, TEC is down like 3 full staff members. So I've tried to figure out a workaround for this Kaltura issue. And if you guys are having the same issue, hopefully this will help you. So I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to capture what I'm doing with Kaltura, if that makes sense. So, and I've never used Screencast-O-Matic before. So if I open up Kaltura, and Kaltura, obviously, most of you guys know you can download it free from from D2L, and like I said, it's supported by TEC. So let's say I want to record, okay, and I'm going to open up a PowerPoint slide. All right, so here's the esophagus, here's the liver, here's the stomach, etc. All right, so all that's been recorded. Okay. So now I'm happy with what I have. So I'm going to hit done. And it's going to, and we always hate to hear how we sound via audio. So here's the issue, okay? In the past, when Kaltura was working like it's supposed to, you could upload it and it will go directly to D2L. Okay, I'm going to show you what happens when I try to do that. And I always just preview first to make sure that how I want this. Okay, so on this page here, it's not going to matter what you put as far as the title or tag because it's not going to save it anyway. So if you click upload, it'll take a few seconds and it comes back with this error message. There was an error uploading screen capture, da 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 da. Okay, so not uploading to D2L. Okay, if you X out of that and then go back to library, okay, and you can see there's these upload errors for the last like 20 that I've made. So if you go back to the one you just made and you hit save, okay, it's going to still give you that error message, okay? But here's the thing, Kaltura will automatically store the video that you've made to your computer. And here's how you find out where that video is. Go to settings, and then you can copy the location and just cut and paste it here. So I just paste it there. And that brings up all the Kaltura videos that I've made. These XML documents are not important at all. And you can put it in order, date modified, so you can see the latest ones that you've done first. So here's the video I just made, right? And online, it saves it as an MP4 file. And I've got mine where it defaults to play with VLC media player. So if I click that, that's the video that I want, okay? So from here, things are a little bit different too. So now if you want to upload this video onto your D2L course site, okay, a couple things you have to do first. If you click on this HTTC icon here, the best way to do this is go to My Media, and it'll bring up the videos that you've made in the past. Okay, so these are the videos I made in the past. Go here to Add New and Media Upload. Okay, and you can drag that file into there. And here's where you do want to name it. I'm just going to name it Test Video for HTTC. okay? And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but in the tags, if you'll put caption 48, so CAPTION 48, and enter there. Why is that not working here? Well, it's not working for some reason, but normally if you put caption 48 in that tag there we go. It will automatically put captions for your video to make it accessible to students who may be visually impaired. Okay, at this point you want to click save. Okay, and so it's been saved into your media. So now I'm going to go to one of the courses that I teach. Right, and let's say I want to put that as a news item. Right, I'm going to go to communications, news, and then new item. Okay, and I can label it whatever I want to. Okay, here's an issue that we were having last week too, which I think may be fixed now, but as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome. Last week, or in the last couple of weeks, when you've tried to insert stuff with Google Chrome, it hasn't allowed you to do that. If that happens again to any of you, just use a different browser. I started using Mozilla Firefox, and that would work just fine. But like I said, now Google Chrome seems to be working fine. So now I click on My Media, and there's the video that I just made. So click on that, hit Next, and there's the video that I want. Click Insert, right, Publish, and there's my video. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. Again, if you guys use Screencast-O-Matic, that's perfectly fine. But I think that Kaltura has some advantages over Screencast-O-Matic. And when we get more fully staffed as far as TEC, they do a great job of providing assistance if you do run into any problems. Hopefully that helps you. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them.